right? Time to just check the weather for tomorrow. 90% chance of snow? No, that can't be true. It just snowed 3 times. They're wrong. They're always wrong. They're always wrong. Definitely wrong. Definitely wrong. Fuck you! Fuck you, piece of shit! Stupid fucking shit! Just shovel! No! No! Not going through this again! No! 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 You know what you could do? Shoot a big fat dick! You know what? It'll be fine. I'll go out. I'll have a snowball fight. It'll be awesome. It'll be like old time. I could use the snow to keep things cold. You know what? For every cold day, there's gonna be a warm day. I know you're a snow cat, but I'm not a snow person. God help me! God help me! It's just snowed. It just snowed. Oh, the snow can't make me feel anymore. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna make it through this. Your fur and my coats. It's gonna be awesome. Tifa, stop attacking that. Tifa!